City talking loud down below. Every light got something to prove. Up here it's just glass and glow, and a little time I didn't lose. Hand on the smoke, burning slow, glass half true, half gone. Didn't come looking for answers, just needed the quiet turned on. Yeah, I'm sitting where the noise can't reach. Let it argue with itself. I ain't disappearing, I'm just leaning back, trying to hear my own breath. Every floor got a story, most of them rushing in, but this one don't owe nobody, not the clock, not a friend. Asphalt soft like a thought that already said its piece. Some nights don't ask for nothing, they just offer a little peace. Yeah, I'm sitting where the noise can't reach, city humming underneath. I don't need to win a name, I just need a little relief. They sell hurry like it's power, sell noise like it's true, but calm don't knock, it just waits till you finally make room. Glass got warm in my hand, smoke drawing lines in the air. I ain't hiding from the world, just giving it a fair stare. Tomorrow can knock when it's ready, tonight ain't about what's next. I climb this high for perspective, not to feel impressed. Yeah, I'm sitting where the noise can't reach, above the bright downtown. Everything loud looks smaller when you're high enough to slow it down. City's still talking, smoke still burning,